It is Melissa, or Lemon Balm, often called Melissa because of its botanical name, which is Melissa officinalis. But it is time to gather. I should say, here, another pot here, big old pot here, more there. It's a little feverfew that is coming up in that and blossoming. And then there's also another smaller batch here, but this big barrel full. So I'm going to show you how I harvest and hang these to dry. So here are some bundles I've already hung up on my ancient clothes drying rack that doesn't work as a clothes drying rack anymore, but it works great for drying herbs. And I've just cut them off at the very bottom of the stem and then gathered a bunch and use a produce tie to wrap around the bundle and then anchor that, twist it onto itself, and then wrap it around the hanging rod. You can do this anywhere it's going to stay dry and warm. What I've done is also you want to pull out any old yellowed or brown leaves so that once they get all dry, you can simply know with confidence that all of these leaves are vital and healthy and happy with their wonderful goodies. When you're making a bundle, don't put too many in a bundle, and once you get it gathered up, you kind of want to shoosh it out a little bit just to get a little more airflow. If they're too tight together, it just gets harder for those inner ones to get dry. So floof them out and let them hang until they are thoroughly dry. Now Melissa, otherwise known as Lemon Balm or Melissa officinalis, is part of the mint family. It is a softer leaf than regular mint. However, you can tell perfectly that it's in the mint family because look at that square stem. That's your indicator. Part of the mint family. These I'm going to dry for tea, and otherwise known as infusions, since there's going to be no tea actually in them. And also as an aromatic to put into little potpourri pouches and so on. And there it is. Melissa officinalis, Melissa or Lemon Balm. Gather yours. Another tip, I do like to gather these before they flower and start to go to seed. And these are getting close. It's very early this year, but you can see they're starting to get a whole bunch of leaves in one spot at the end, and that is signaling that it's going to be blooming soon. Enjoy your lemon balm.